and learn from them or share things with them. So that's the best thing that I've earned in my life from the US. Everybody knows that was a tough time for us. I mean, the USers and students in general. However, I really appreciate what the whole system, I mean, the US tried to make everything work in a really nice way. Of course, teaching and learning English online is not easy for everybody back at that time, but I found that quite helpful and useful what the US tried to help. For example, they offered us some laptops just in case, like some new teachers, they didn't have their own laptops to work from home. Another thing, as I could remember, there was like some teachers, they couldn't have the best internet connection to work from home. So the US and the other TC staff tried to help and gave some room from the campus to give a chance for teachers to come and work from the campus. So in general, we didn't lose jobs compared to the other companies, as we know. And the last thing that I mean, all the teachers really appreciate what the US did was the vaccination days they offered to teachers at each campus, so that we didn't have to wait in a long queue at our community like areas to get the vaccination. To talk about the achievements that I've earned, the teaching life at the US, I would say I have got really good connections with nice people. Really friendly, helpful, nice colleagues, students, all the managers, all the staff people. They are really enthusiastic and always try to make the work environment feel like home, not just like a workplace. People from the US could make really strong connections, not only at the workplace. You can have them like as good friends for life. You know that I love working with kids, and this is something that I would never forget. That is super kid level, and that class was really naughty, really noisy, and didn't care about what the teacher and the TA was saying on the first week. So 2 weeks in a row, I said to them, sorry, you've been misbehaved, so no games, no stickers, and no fun for 2 weeks. So as I remember, after the second week with them, before I said goodbye to them, I just joked to them this way, like, so how about next week? Is that gonna be another boring week? Will you want your teacher to be Miss Thảo evil or Miss Thảo angel? You will decide it. Okay, see you next week. So the week after, that's the third week, that was a funny thing. I was about to walk into the door, the classroom door. I heard something behind, and then I turned around, I saw 2 girls. One started to talk in a very nice, soft voice. Miss Thảo, today will you be a Miss Thảo angel or Miss Thảo evil? And then I didn't remember what was it about. I was freezing for about a few seconds, and I started to laugh unexpectedly. And I went like, why are you asking me that? And And that was the time the second girl jumped in and said, Miss Thảo, I'm telling you this, the whole class have done their homework today. And then I laughed like ridiculously, but really happily. So that was the story from like one of the kids' class that I would never forget. So I think the message, something to learn behind this story, be patient to your students, especially when they are kids and they are naughty. But be patient with your smiles, and then you can see something like magic will happen after that. Happy. When I started to work at the US, there were only around 10 campuses, But at the moment, we are reaching a number of over 50. Very impressive. So I'm very proud of being a member of the US in general. And at the moment, feeling so proud of being the big connector who is going to connect students with various experiences and help them step forward to the brighter future. Learn to smile, love your smiles, and see the magic behind them. Happy Teachers' Day to you all!